Hi everyone, my name is Vinayak M. Rao. I work as a speech and drama coach at GoldenBee Global BTM campus. Om Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya Vachikam Sarvavagmayam Aharyam Chandrataradhi Tvam Namah Satvikam Shivam. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. World Theatre Day, which is an annual event which will be celebrated on March 27th without fail. It promotes the art of theatre and its significance in the society. It was initially coined in 1961 from the institution of ITI, which is nothing but International Theatre Institute, and this was supported by UNESCO also. This day aims to raise the awareness about the theatrical practice and its importance all over the world. For example, its cultural values, the mutual understanding, and even the peace amongst the nation. And this particular day majorly keeps a note on the theatre practitioners. For example, theatre practitioners doesn't mean that they do practice theatre just for the sake of performance or something. They would have taken theatre as their life. They would have practicing and performing in different types of event, in terms of different types of experimentation, and making theatre as their life. And as per as my knowledge, theatre is not just a platform to perform, it is the way of living. It aims to highlight the cultural, social and the educational significance of the theatre as a means of expression, communication and storytelling. From ancient Greek amphitheatre till now, the modern Indian dramas. For example, if you take ritualistic theatre, folklore background, or else a different performable theatre like amphitheatre, street play and all of that, this directly or indirectly, which is a inspiration from the human race, which is the inspiration from the societal needs. From the beginning, for example, if you take from the pre-independence time, we use theatre as a tool to tell out the problem which is there in the society, to react to the problem, to actually acquire that particular strength to go and talk in front of somebody. So theatre is basically that strength where everybody can go and speak out. This is nothing but the freedom of speech, what I feel. So in theatre, as per as my knowledge, being in this industry from past so many years, theatre is the one place where everybody are equal. They will not even ask your caste or creed, whether you are a poor or whether you are rich or something. As soon as you enter the theatre, they'll make you sit in one particular circle, and from that time, whenever during the performance or for whatever it may be, throughout the journey, you are equal in terms of everything. So that is the beauty of theatre, what I have seen. From Shakespearean culture to Bharatanatyam Shastra, everything aims at one thing, which is nothing but equality. So let us take this opportunity to appreciate all the theatre writers, theatre directors, actors, maybe the set worker, the light man, the music director, the singers, the dancers and the choreographers who all are involved in theatre. Let us take this opportunity to appreciate them on this World Theatre Day, so that we all can live a better life. I feel this World Theatre Day should be celebrated not just as one day, it should be celebrated on each and every day, so that we all can lead a very beautiful and a peaceful life. May the spotlight continue to shine brightly on the transformative power of theatre. A happy World Theatre Day, everyone. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಿಶ್ವ ರಂಗಭೂಮಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
GoldenBee Global, Beehive of Learning.